Guys, welcome back to day 2 of my daily series. In my previous video I got a 20-gallon fish tank, and today's video is going to be really exciting because we are going to be reorganizing my room and setting up the new tank. I just cannot wait, and this is the idea of the tank that I want. I've been watching a lot of TikTok videos, and I've been spending so much time on Pinterest doing my research, but I am finally concluding with this. This is what I want my tank to look like. I'm all dressed up to actually go out. I'm heading to the pet store because I want to get a few decor stuff, and yeah, I'll see you guys at the pet store, I guess. So we made it home, and I'm going to show you guys all of the stuff that I got. Starting off is this volcanic soil for plants. It is very good. It's going to improve the growth of the plant that I'm going to put, and it's going to be very beneficial for the fishes as well. This is it, and it cost about $28 for this. Next is the aquatic substrate. I got some rocks. This is the air pump that stays outside the tank. And next, I got a square feeding ring. And next, I got the micro pellets that is ideal for almost all the tropical fishes. And the most important part of this whole thing is actually drifted roots. And I got 2 of them, 2 different kinds. And I am going to be boiling this because that was what I was told at the pet store, that I'm supposed to boil the woods until the water becomes clear. And I got some more plants. So that is everything that I got. I am going to go change into something better because it is super hot. As you guys can see, the sun is out. I'm going to change into something much lighter, and we are going to get started with organizing my room and setting up the tank. Let's get into it.
You tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, you wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. He said he thought it would be nice if we went for a ride in his dad's Jaguar. Swept up in the moment, sitting in his car. But you know he won't take you far. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored that. So now you won't take backs, but there's no refunds here. So you sorta hurt, it makes you see clear. You were just lost, you were just lost. But now you found, and you realize he wasn't at all like what you created in your mind. He wasn't even nice, you wasted all your time. You didn't even like him in real life. Real life, talking about that real life, holding on cause it just feels feels nice, but let's get back to real life. Real life. Talking about that real life. Holding on 'cause it just feels nice, but let's get back to real life. Real life. Talking about that real life. Holding on 'cause it just feels nice, but let's get back to real life. She's putting all of her cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that she'll be able to win this wrong. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end.
So this is the water, guys. It is looking so dark. It is looking so dark. Like, it happens so fast. Even before I realize it, it happens so fast. And I just hope that this clears up overnight. Like, you can even see through. That's how dark the water is. But I watched a couple videos where they said, yeah, it take a day or two and then it was fine. So I'm just hoping that this happens for mine too. But other than that, look at the plant, and it's really giving like the inspo that we got from Pinterest. If you look over there, it's really giving the inspo we got from Pinterest, and I'm excited. It's coming together. And so far, this is what my bed side is looking like. I got rid of the bookshelf that was over there, and I'm just trying to find a place for all of this stuff that is on the floor and over here.
And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's gonna help if you always fighting yourself, trying to forget how you felt? Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend. 'Cause
So I just got done cleaning up my room. If you guys can see, it is looking so beautiful and organized, and right now it has so much space. Like, the space is like a lot. Like, my room feels so much bigger, and yeah, I'm not like fully done. I still have a lot of things to get to put together, but right now it is looking good. I mean, I'm loving it. And also for my fish tank, this is what it's looking like right now. The water is now very very clear, but I ended up putting the fishes inside because they were already killing each other in the small tank. They cannot live in the small tank for the whole night, so I just ended up putting them in here. I know the water is safe, it's just not clear, but it's safe, so hopefully they survive tonight. And it's getting clearer. Actually, it's a lot clearer than it was a few hours ago, so I believe it's going to be fine. Like, I'm not scared that much anymore. And yeah, I think that's gonna be it for day 2. I'm gonna be updating you guys on day 3. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoy watching, you already know what to do. Go ahead and like, subscribe, comment down below what you think. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.